Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and you need to find the fuel pump relay because your Fiat does not start, fuel pump doesn't work, stay with us. We'll explain guys where the fuel pump relay is located. We'll guys teach you how to test the fuel pump relay, and we'll explain where you can buy relays for a really good price and quick shipping. All that will be shared in this video today. Also, if the relay checks out fine, check the fuses, and we'll have a special video where the fuel pump is located and how to replace it as well. All that will be covered on this channel guys. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So with that being said, what we have specifically here, 2015 Fiat 500, that's the Fiat guys, right here. It's a Abarth, but even if you have an non-Abarth version, it will work as well. Now if you look right here, when you open the hood, that's your car battery. We removed one of the relays, that's what they usually look like. You may have up to 3 different kinds of relays on your Fiat 500 guys. If you need to buy one for a good price and quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below. And if you want to see how to test a relay, I will put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that in the description below. Check it out. This is the main fuse box. Right here, there is one bolt that you need to unscrew guys, remove it. If you want to see where the other fuse box is located, search for the video on our channel, where are the fuses and relays on Fiat 500. Once you remove the bolt, you can pull the fuse box out. Now, good news guys, you have the relays marked with a T in front of the number, that means relay. The one with an F is fuses. Bad news, they're not in order and they don't tell you what it's for. So the fuel pump relay is actually relay number 17, T17. It will be that red relay right here. You can see that relay will be the one for the fuel pump right here. If you need to test it, we'll have the video in the description of the video below. Check it out, how to test the relay. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.